What is going on, guys? We're going to be installing a leveling kit on my 2020 F250. This is actually in preparation to be able to run 37-inch tall tires on the truck. We're going to be doing that here pretty soon. We just recently did the black grille, the black mirror caps, door handles, and a bunch of different things. And now we're going to be getting the ride height a little bit more level, and it is also going to give us that clearance for the 37-inch tires. So we're not exactly on level ground, but you should still be able to see the truck has a fair amount of rake forward. So this is going to lift the front end up and make the truck really about level. We are on a hill right now, so definitely need to note that, but it's going to lift up that front quite a bit. And you can even see right here, this wheel gap here is much smaller than the wheel gap over there. Alright, before we get started, I want to show you guys the Mustang Lifestyle hoodies. They just came in along with all the other merch. We will be shipping these this week, so that ends the pre-order. Definitely get your order in while we still have stock and supplies in stock ready to go. We will be ordering more stuff as well. I just have the hoodie here with me. I have the new hat right here. So definitely go down in the description, get your order in to win the Whipple S550. We're going to get started with the truck. And the truck is going to be transformed here very soon. So we did go with a fairly basic kit. This is the Ready Lift 2.5-inch leveling kit. I will have a link down in the description if you want to pick it up. It's fairly simple. This kit specifically I think fits 17 to 20 F250. I'll probably leave a link if there's other models available as well. But this is a very simple kit. It was 250 bucks. Very cheap, and hopefully it'll do what we need it to do. Or not. So we're kind of figuring this out as we go, but that's definitely enough room to get the spring and spring perch in there. So there's some sway bar extensions, shock extensions, brake bracket extension, I believe. Yeah, I guess that just goes in there like that, right? Or maybe the other way around? No, that looks right. I don't know, we don't really know what we're doing, so.
Yeah, that's right. Look, fully sticking out the front. Maybe.
Oh, so we bolt those on there and then we use the additional hardware to bolt them on.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it doesn't seem too hard. Just me and Nick have never worked on a truck like this before.
Nope.
Worked on a lot of cars. Typically when you pull the spring out, you're lowering things down, not raising. So, in our world. Alright, so we just figured out the bump stops. So it comes with a extension for the bump stop. You got to pull the stock bump stop off, which is might be easier with a flathead, but you can do it by hand. Then 10mm. The bump stop bracket off. Don't need that again. Then we got these brackets here. There's a little dimple right there to line up with the dimple there. Put these together with your new hardware and it's good to go. And then that's a 13mm head. And just pop in the bump stop, which is right there, and then we should be good to go.
Hell yeah.
So now we just need to put in the spring perches. See, we got the shock mounts right there. Put the spring perches in, and the spring
Sits like this.
Yep. That's what gives us the height.
Oh, it is close.
Pretty sure we can go down even more.
Almost. Oh, now I can put that in first. There we go.
Yep.
Come up. That slid in. Great.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Do we want to assemble this side, or do we want to do the other? Maybe we should get the other side lined up.
Like that?
Yeah. All right, so we got the sway bar bolted up on this side. Not the most fun, but it's there. Got the shock bolted up. Spring perch in the way. Just got to deal with the brake line brackets and the sway bar on the other side. And we should be about wrapped up. All right, so we got the ready lift spring perches up in there. Spring is in. Sway bar extensions are in. Shock extensions are in. The brake line bracket's not a big fan of the way that is, but that is the way it calls for it. Now to put the wheels on and see how much taller this big old thing is.
Is it?
Nope, you're good, I think. Yo, if that's the height, I mean the other side's not on, but that's pretty high.
It is level.
Yeah. Dang.
Yeah.
That lifted it a lot. All right, let's get the other side on. I want to see it. Yeah, it looks a bit taller.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Perfect for the 37s.
Hell yeah.
It wasn't too bad. It's just, it's not the best kit. It's pretty cheap. I knew it was cheap going into it.
All of that just for that.
That's it. Really, that part's fine. It's just all the other stupid little drop brackets. But yeah, that's a lot more. Oh my God, it's so much taller. All right, there it is. Definitely looks much higher. I want to get the tremor lip. It's just been on back order for so long, but yeah, it looks a lot higher right there. So we are on a little bit of hill. I'm gonna take some pictures and videos once we get, you know, on level ground. I think it's gonna settle in a little bit too, but overall I like it, and it's definitely getting ready for the new wheels, which I'm really excited to reveal, but it's gonna look awesome. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Go down in the description to MustangLifestyle.net, pick up some merch, get entered into the giveaway. We have more coming with the truck. We got wheels, we got some other thing to make this thing a little bit faster, and should be pretty fun.